everybody, and welcome back to a rather unusual episode of Downhill Smooth Tarmac. It's Christmas Club Ride Day, and this isn't our fancy dress. I'm not very well. My new job, my colleagues have given me the lurgy, and now I've given it to Chops as well. But we thought we'd get festive. We don't think we're contagious anymore, so we're going to go and show you what the traditional British Christmas club ride is all about. I'm expecting some quality fancy dress, although Dave's ill. Dave's cried off, he's poorly, of the Christmas riders, and we'll show you some of their fancy dress efforts today. And we still get to have a big old breakfast. Is this them? No, I don't think so. They don't look festive enough. Okay, so with a bit of luck, there should be still a good turnout today. Normally, as part of the tradition, there is prizes for the best fancy dress. Although last year we put a lot of effort in, and then it was too icy to ride the tandem, but that's another thing entirely. Is there bicycles? I don't think there. Oh, there's a bicycle. Are there festive bicycles?
Yeah. Nothing compares to this. It's such a bliss. My only wishes. I don't need any presents, 'cause I know I have you. I just need you and me, and I know it will be a magic holiday. Oh, you make it all okay. Oh, it's a magic holiday. The rest just fades away. It's you and me, a magic holiday. A magic.
Loving that. That's a lot of cable ties.
I deliberately left them long.
That's quality, that. Do you want to talk me through your thinking, Gray?
Lewis said, "Oh, I like them long."
43, I bet he
I
does.
thought, yeah, I'm sure he does. It's not going to fall off, is it? No,
It's not going anywhere, that, is it? I always wonder what you look like, Tubby, mate. Look at that. Just having a quick look round. Who we got? Who's the better pudding? Because you got John. Are you not going to fall off like that, are you?
Did you get that on the back of the...
What's that? Oh my days, hang on, I've got to get that on my video. Look at that. Hey, that's brilliant. Get Mark in as well.
Sixth Christmas ride now, and we started off with just having a bit of tinsel around the helmets and some radio horns. Turning that to now 6 years on, so it goes to straight to spending. So the best female is Andrew this morning.
You can go
Now
now.
that's been shaken around in our saddlebag, so you may want to just
Celebration piece off. Right.
the male for us, and it's the makeup that swung it.
Oh,
Mr. Wood. There's no rhyme nor reason for this one, but we thought that somebody else should get special mention, and it's Caroline.
good argument. Nose reindeer. Tiny nose.
Well done, Mrs. Well done. Brilliant. Great to see.
Look amazing. Absolutely amazing. I like it.
Got to ask you, mate. What visibility? You're all right. Is it not warm in there?
It did walk, and I had to wipe it out.
Yeah.
When I got in,
going over. That's
better than moving.
But it's worth it.
Yeah.
It's Merry Christmas, baby. Merry Christmas, baby. It's Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. It's Merry Christmas, baby. Yeah. It's Merry Christmas, baby.
Worth it just to come out and see everybody, dish out some downhill smooth tarmac decals and wish everybody Merry Christmas, even though I haven't managed to ride, which is kind of humbling. What a great turnout there, some great efforts, really decent costumes as always. Great to have a bit of fun with cycling, especially this time of year. It can be a little bit too serious, especially when you mention a rope. Okay, so there you have it. The riders have gone off on their way and we're back in the car, which is a bit boring really. What was your favourite?
I liked Carolyn was good.
Yeah, Carolyn Reindeer.
Grinch.
Grinch, grey. Yeah, grey was quality. I don't know how he breathed. How he breathed in that.
Got it round his feet.
Yeah, there's a lot of green fluff going on there. That was good though.
And to the
That was good that.
And to the lady. Yeah.
Mrs. Captain, yeah, quality Mrs. Claus. On the tandem, the pair of them did look good.
Yeah.
Rob and Sally on the tandem look good as well. Loads of good costumes. I'm not singling anybody out because I think they're really good.
And Jill with her custom.
And Jill had custom Christmas pudding. That deserves a special mention. She had Velo Moira Christmas pud. So I hope you found it a bit of fun, and it's great to bring you along even though I didn't get to ride and neither did Chomps because we're both a bit crook. So I might as well sign off and say I hope your next ride is downhill smooth tarmac. I hope the winter lurgy doesn't get you. Keep your wheels spinning, keep your knobblies on the road, all of that stuff. And have a Merry Christmas for 2023. That's nearly a whole year of downhill smooth tarmac, but there's still more to come. Until next time, bike fans, get out and ride your bike.